For years, we've heard the same prediction: artificial intelligence is coming for your job. The headlines make it sound inevitable. Millions of workers replaced, entire professions disappearing, a future where machines do everything while humans struggle to find work. But something unexpected is happening. While many traditional technology jobs are slowing down, AI jobs are growing at remarkable speed. A Reuters report found that AI hiring in India's technology sector increased by 16% even as overall IT recruitment declined. At first glance, that sounds impossible. How can technology jobs shrink while AI jobs grow? The answer reveals one of the biggest misunderstandings about artificial intelligence. AI is not simply destroying jobs. It is reshaping them. To understand why, imagine two offices. In the first office, a software engineer spends the day writing routine code, fixing simple bugs, documenting systems, and answering repetitive support requests. Many of those tasks can now be completed faster with AI assistance. In the second office, another engineer is building AI systems, training machine learning models, integrating AI into business software, or creating automated workflows. Demand for that engineer is increasing rapidly. The difference is not technology, the difference is value. Companies are no longer asking one question: can we hire another programmer? Instead, they are asking, can we build an AI-powered business? That single change is transforming the job market. Only a few years ago, businesses viewed AI as an experiment. They tested chatbots, they tried image recognition, they explored automation in small projects. Today, AI is becoming part of everyday business. Customer support uses AI assistants. Marketing teams use AI to create campaigns. Law firms summarize contracts with AI. Doctors use AI to analyze medical images. Manufacturers inspect products using computer vision. Banks detect fraud with machine learning. Retailers predict inventory using AI forecasting. The technology is spreading into almost every industry. As a result, companies need people who understand how to deploy it. This explains why AI hiring keeps rising. Businesses are no longer investing only in software. They are investing in transformation. That transformation creates entirely new careers: prompt engineers, machine learning engineers, AI product managers, data scientists, AI infrastructure specialists, computer vision engineers, robotics engineers, AI safety researchers, cloud AI architects. These jobs barely existed a decade ago. Some did not exist at all. History has seen this pattern before. During the Industrial Revolution, machines replaced many forms of manual labor. But those same factories created new jobs for mechanics, engineers, designers, managers, and technicians. When computers arrived, many clerical jobs disappeared. At the same time, software developers, network engineers, cybersecurity specialists, and web designers became valuable professions. The internet followed the same path. Video rental stores disappeared. Online businesses exploded. Entire industries were created around websites, digital advertising, cloud computing, and e-commerce. AI appears to be following the same pattern. Some jobs become smaller, others become much larger. The challenge is that this transition happens unevenly. Routine work is changing first. Think about tasks instead of entire jobs: writing meeting summary, translating documents, creating presentations, searching company databases, answering common customer questions, generating reports. These are repetitive activities with predictable patterns. AI performs them remarkably well. That does not necessarily eliminate the employee. Instead, it changes what that employee spends time doing. Imagine an accountant. Years ago, much of the work involved entering numbers manually. Today, accounting software performs much of that work automatically. The accountant still exists. The focus shifted toward analysis, planning, compliance, and advising clients. AI is creating similar changes across many professions. Software developers increasingly spend less time writing boilerplate code and more time designing systems. Lawyers spend less time reading thousands of pages manually and more time making strategic decisions. Doctors spend less time searching medical literature and more time treating patients. Journalists spend less time organizing information and more time investigating stories. The job changes. The human does not disappear, at least not immediately. Of course, this does not mean everyone benefits equally. Workers whose jobs consist almost entirely of repetitive digital tasks face greater pressure. Companies naturally automate work that is predictable, but creativity remains valuable. Critical thinking remains valuable. Communication remains valuable. Leadership remains valuable. Judgment remains valuable. Ironically, AI is making human skills more important, not less. Because as machines become better at routine work, the remaining work becomes increasingly human. There's another surprising trend. Many people assume AI experts only work at giant technology companies. That is no longer true. Manufacturing companies need AI, hospitals need AI, insurance companies need AI, construction firms need AI, agriculture needs AI, energy companies need AI. Small businesses increasingly use AI to compete with larger rivals. The demand extends far beyond Silicon Valley. This creates opportunities for people from many different backgrounds. You do not necessarily need to invent the next AI model. Sometimes the most valuable skill is knowing how to apply existing AI tools to solve real business problems. That shift is happening much faster than many expected. According to the Stanford AI Index, businesses continue increasing AI adoption across industries. Generative AI has moved from research labs into everyday workplaces in only a few years. The speed of adoption is extraordinary. And that creates another challenge. Education often moves much more slowly. Universities update courses gradually. Companies need skilled workers immediately. Many professionals therefore learn AI outside traditional classrooms. Online courses, open-source projects, personal experiments, community forums, real-world projects. Employers increasingly care less about where someone learned AI and more about whether they can actually solve problems. This is especially true because AI itself changes so quickly. The tools available today may look very different just 2 years from now. Continuous learning becomes more valuable than any single degree. That may be the biggest lesson from today's job market. Technology is no longer something people learn once. It is something they keep learning throughout their careers. There is also an important psychological shift. Many workers fear AI because they imagine competing against it. Successful professionals increasingly think differently. They compete with people who use AI better than they do. That is a completely different mindset. Imagine 2 designers. One refuses to use AI. The other uses AI to generate concepts, organize ideas, remove repetitive work, and explore dozens of creative directions before choosing the best one. The second designer is not replaced by AI. The second designer becomes more productive. The same applies to programmers, writers, researchers, analysts, architects, scientists, teachers. The question is gradually changing. It is no longer, will AI replace me? It is becoming, can I work better because of AI? That difference may determine future careers. Does this mean everyone should become an AI engineer? Probably not. The world still needs doctors, teachers, electricians, nurses, mechanics, architects, pilots, artists, and countless other professions. But almost every profession will likely use AI as another tool. Just as computers became universal, just as the internet became universal, AI may become universal too. People who understand how to work alongside intelligent systems will likely have significant advantages. The Reuters report showing AI hiring rising while overall IT hiring falls is therefore much bigger than one country's job market. It represents a global transition. Businesses are no longer hiring simply to build software. They are hiring to build an AI-powered future. Some traditional roles will shrink. Entirely new careers will emerge. Many existing jobs will evolve instead of disappearing. The future of work may not belong to the people with the most experience. It may belong to the people who keep adapting, because technology has always rewarded those willing to learn. And in the age of artificial intelligence, learning may become the most valuable skill of all.